This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Autostart on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable Autostart, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the General tab. And then under Startup, the second thing down, open Waterfox automatically when your computer starts up. If this is not checked, as you see mine is not checked, then Autostart is disabled. If it is checked, then Autostart will automatically start up when your computer does. That is how to enable or disable Autostart on the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.